spray.
Yeah.
As soon as it starts going, you're gonna be getting spray, 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 spray,
Yeah.
spray, like that. And that's what we fucking want. This thing hasn't started in like 4 years.
Yeah, it's gonna need a bit of help. Oh,
So
alright, sweet.
I need you up there. Here's
Yep,
my
on the
key.
keys. Can do.
My key.
Yeah.
Okay, just use the other key. It's on here. This one. I'll find my key later.
Alright, sweet.
Okay.
Line that go.
First just try starting it over. I want to see what it looks like. Not yet. Hold up a second. Okay. Go ahead, yeah. Turn it over for like 3 seconds. Alright. That's much better than it was the other day. When you do the glow plug this time, only do like 30 seconds. We don't need 2 minutes of that shit. What's up? You have to turn the key enough so that it's connected to the batteries before the light will turn on. Also, flip the C intake valve up so it's on. Okay, did you let it go? You already did? Okay, we're gonna give it a shot. Start her up. You're gonna keep it going for like, just keep it going for like 10 seconds this time. Okay? Hold up. I gotta get myself in position here. Okay. Go ahead, Sam. Alright, stop. Fucking A. That already sounds a lot better though.
Nice.
Like, do you remember what it sounded like last time? There's a lot more funking around. I removed the fucking hand crank system entirely.
Oh, sweet.
For starters, so.
That works.
until I fix that chain,
Yeah.
and there's like 3 different links on like the big section of chain that things just get snagged in there.
Excellent.
I can't hand crank the thing more than 1 full revolution before it gets stuck.
That kind of defeats the purpose.
Exactly.
Yeah.
So we can't even use that to assist the motor for the time
But,
being. Maybe at a later point for sure.
yeah.
Let's give it another shot. Just wait a couple minutes. This is the process. This is what we're doing here.
Nice and
It needs to get it. It needs to. We need to get the fuel running through those pipes at enough psi. I bled the fuel system really good. Just remember, it's only 1 squirt every 5 revolutions. So we're just gonna get lucky at one point to have enough compression. One thing we could do, definitely to check, is they make these compression gauges that fit into the glow plug sockets, and it's got a gauge on it. You screw it in, and you try to start her up, and it tells you what the compression ratio, or what the compression is inside the engine, and that'll give me an idea of where it's at. We can experiment with how to get the compression ratio up. Another thing I was thinking of, I could block off the air intake. Like block off the air intake. You rev it up like 5 rev, for like 8 seconds or something like that. No, like just like 5 seconds or whatever. And then I take that off. Suddenly it's getting a rush of air, and that was one technique that I saw in that book to help get it going. They wrote in the book that you would do that with the hand crank system. Doesn't matter. It's just a different method of starting it. As long as I don't get fucking tangled in the belts, we're good.
Check the like sparks.
The glow plugs? There's no question about the glow plugs definitely work. They lit me on fire, so like, there's that. That's evidence enough, I'd say. All right, give it another go. Nah, just 5. We don't need. It doesn't need really more than 3 seconds. It should just give it 5 revolutions and then let go. We're gonna have to keep doing this shit.